Hey guys, so I'm planning to film a vlog this week, like a random ass vlog, um, of doing anything that I do because I had my exams the past week and I'd been studying for 2 weeks, so I was not creating content, I was not filming at all, and this is my first day after my exam that I'm completely free, so I have a good amount of filming to do today, and I thought I should vlog everything. Cousins are here. You guys know them, Harsh and Ruchi, from previous videos. If you have not watched those videos, it will be in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna film I think 3 videos for my reaction channel today. Not for this channel for today because I haven't planned anything. I do have a video idea in mind, but I need to gather some information. So we're gonna be doing that. Right now I'm actually going to straighten my hair just a little bit because of the color. My hair gets a little more frizzy than usual, so she needs some love. So I'm gonna straighten my hair and then I'm gonna get to getting ready and filming. I'm gonna take you guys along this week with me. This is gonna be like a week in my life, but not really because anyways, you guys get the gist. So update. So my hair is now straightened. Should I keep this here? Wait. This is a very so I did straighten my hair a little bit to tame them. You cannot see it, but I did. I tied them because it's too freaking hot, dude. Yeah, now I have to pick an outfit. Well, not an outfit, I just have to pick a top because this baby is stained. I ate some cake, so I have to pick a top because I'm filming a reaction video, so the bottom half is not gonna be some real deal, you know. Whenever I film, I don't change my pants. I'm wearing shorts, so yeah, that's how it works. If you can hear the TV in the background, just ignore because my family is watching a movie. I do have to do my nails. Should I do my nails first and then pick an outfit and then do my makeup? Because guys, I put this nail, I grew them so nicely. I shaped them in a square shape. I've been liking square recently when I'm not coughing, which is weird. But yeah, I'm gonna cut everything off because this one is really short and completely short. I'm gonna cut these into baby nails. I'm gonna paint them some color. I don't know which color. So stay tuned for that. I'm out of breath. I haven't talked to a camera in probably a month. I'm getting so oily, which is really weird. But it's so humid here in Ahmedabad. Oh my god. But anyways, I have some sunspots here because I was out for my exams. So yeah, I have a ton of sunspots here on my nose especially. I have to cover them up with my foundation because I mean it's cute, but I don't like them. So yeah, let's go. I'm talking too much. Okay guys, filming the reaction video now, and oh my god, this camera is falling. Let me shift. Okay, so I'm filming the reaction video now and the lighting is terrible. I want to fix this, but I don't know how because like this setup is pretty new to me. This is my brother's room and I don't know how to set it up, but that's why it's so fucking ugly back there. I'm kidding. He's gonna kill me if he sees this and sees me talking shit about him. Okay, so we're here. I'm gonna film 2 or 3 reaction videos which will be up of course before this video goes up on my this channel. I'm sweating too much. Okay, so yeah, I am ready with my hair, makeup done. I'm gonna film reaction videos and then don't know, we'll do something. My lipstick is anywho, I'll see you guys when I'm done filming.
One eternity later. The next day.
Hey guys, welcome to
Welcome to HG Vlogs with Purvi Goswami and Yash Goswami
and Ruchi Gosai.
and which is a prompter.
We're going out to eat today because we've been together for how many days now? I think 15 days, yeah. But we were not able to go out, so today we are celebrating and going out. And I'm gonna take you guys along with us. You guys already know who these people are. This is my brother Yash, Ruchi, and
the
Harsh.
famous HG.
He is famous. His Instagram is right here. I'm not going to. So yeah, we're going and I'm gonna vlog this evening. I don't know how much I'll vlog, but yeah. See you guys when we get there. It doesn't look very appetizing. Let's do a taste test. Let's do a taste test. Oh wow, I like. कितना रिएक्शन देता है What do we think? Jelly. Jelly जैसा taste है. I can see that. I don't know if रुचि को पसंद है क्योंकि cranberry है ना. He was almost faking it. I like it. He kind of likes it. She doesn't like it. Hello vlog. This is I think after 2 days of me vlogging, when I told you guys that I was gonna vlog. I have remnants of my makeup, but I removed the lid part. We are actually filming some reels for Instagram. I'm not so sure you guys wanna see me like this. So that is the setup. Oh, that's my sister, Ruchi. And those are my brothers. They're also filming reels, dance reels. Me and my sister also filmed some reels. So by the time this video is up, I think I'm gonna post those reels. If you haven't already liked those reels, my Instagram will be in the description. Go check it out. Yeah, I look very busted because I did not remove my whole makeup. Don't do that, kids. So yeah, we're just filming right now. I'm filming the behind the scenes for this vlog because I haven't filmed anything in the 2 days. We have done so much, but I did not. We did try to film yesterday the same reels that we are filming today, but it poured so much. Love that for us.
We enjoyed it.
But yeah, enjoy the behind the scenes of this. My sister is practicing a dance. If y'all know, it's the Enhypen Fever. She wants to perform that. I also performed. I also recorded a reel. Wait. Oh my god, I look so weird. Oh my god. So I just got done filming my reel. I do want to film one more, but I don't want to film it in this outfit, and I don't want to go home and change and come again and then do it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just film it in this outfit. I can give you a sneak peek, but there won't be any audio because copyright. My lipstick is completely gone. Wow, the mask does the work, you know. This is not, I don't know what you might think, but this is just the makeup from before. Pink eyeshadow. I was wearing pink eyeshadow as blush, so it stained my face. Yeah. This is a very narrow road. That's my brother's phone. This is a very narrow road, so there's like big trucks coming in. I don't know for what reason, because this is a dead end, so they're just coming here to just take around and just go back.
One eternity later.
क्या बकवास है ये? क्या पतली बात है? तू वापस ये समझ दे।
ये शादी के वेडिंग
इस-
फोटोग्राफर रहते हैं ना हम लोग।
annoying लग रहा है ना, मारूं सबको टमाटर भी।
ASMR with Pulvi and friends नहीं हो तुम लोग? Siblings.
वेडिंग फोटोग्राफर बन गया।
और धीरे कर ना, और धीरे कर, आराम से कर, कल सुबह तक करता रह तू,
मस्त मिक्स करना है इतना।
एकदम आराम से कर, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, तुम लोग का सुबह 4 बजे ट्रेन है।
तो क्या कर रिकॉर्ड कर रही है?
फोर पैसे दिखाने का जुर्र।
अरे हुआ नहीं रे वापस।
ये शो नहीं चल रहा है।
क्या बोला, क्या बोला?
ए इधर
अरे बोल के करना, ऐसे तो उठा देते हैं बड़े।
पागल नहीं मैंने कह रहे अरे कौन लाए
बाय बाय। छी। ओह
ओह मम
ओह
Hey guys, editing me here, future me here. This is after 2 weeks of procrastinating of not editing. Again, in true me fashion, I forgot to film an outro. Are we surprised? I don't think so. But anyways, this is it for this vlog thingy that I made for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And of course, I have another channel. Please check it out. All my socials will be in the description. So come join me to spread some love and happiness. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep loving. Bye.